Hey there, fellow bike lovers. I've got a couple of Honda Shadow 1100 Spirits here, and one of them I'm just not riding as much as I love it. It's just not getting out as much as it wants to, so I decided to put it on the market, and yeah, tell you a bit about it. Uh, it's got it's it's got mag wheels, so it's no spokes, tubeless tires, automatic cam chain tensioner, automatic valve lifters, so you don't have to worry about setting your valves. It's pretty much maintenance free. Change the oil. It's got shaft drive, so no chain to mess with. And yeah, beautiful bike. The nice thing about this is it's all stock except for the fact that it has no baffles. The baffles are out of the pipe, so wow, does it ever make a difference between the two? This is my more soft-spoken, typical quiet Honda. Even though they're V-twins, they tend to be pretty quiet. They don't have a whole lot of presence, so you can't really announce your presence when you're riding. But this guy is, yeah, amazing. So here, let me just give you a listen. Have a listen. So way more of the typical throaty V-twin presence that you might like to have. Let people know you're there, and just your attitude and growl and all that good stuff. Got some bite and some bark. It's a great bike, comfortable. Backrest is nice and small. You can throw your helmet right over it. So yeah, it's got lots of oomph. They're very torquey bikes, but typically a lot more quiet than that, which I'm going to actually give you a demonstration of here. This one, excuse the roundabout here. There we go. So just a way more mellow, quiet presence. Doesn't have any bite when you twist the throttle. It just purrs. It's a nice purring machine if you like that, but I'm keeping this one. We go back. We have a history. This one's newer to me. It's a 2003, but it's got under 16,000 kilometers, which is why I bought it. Big Willie and Max bags or buckets. They hold a ton of stuff. So I'm actually probably going to throw in a tank bag as well. It's got the nice bobtail. So the classic pullback handlebars, the bobtail, the mags, the short fenders. Just very stylish bike. Classic. And yeah, I'd rather it be ridden than just sitting here looking gorgeous. So if you're interested, give me a shout or respond to my Kijiji ad. Okay, thanks for your interest. Take care.